Hi, I'm Chase Garbarino.
And I'm Greg Gomer, and this is the BostInno Beat. We are back from DC, where we were lobbying for our main man, Justin Bieber, after 270,000 people petitioned the White House to deport him.
He is Canadian, but we were also down there shooting the beat. We did win, though. Bieber stays.
Well, obviously we're having some problem, and it sometimes happens with live television.
Let's talk about RoboCop.
Oh, hell no.
We'll do it live.
Huge day on the market yesterday for the tech sector. Both Facebook and Apple shattered earnings. After weak reports and a lot of naysaying for the tech sector, both companies beat revenue, grew user numbers, and Apple actually surprised the market and announced a 7-to-1 stock split, which is the fourth split in company history.
What I like about Facebook, 1.28 billion monthly active users. That's up from 1.23 billion last quarter. So that's a cool 50 million users in a quarter, over a billion for the first time ever. Active users on mobile. And that doesn't include Instagram, WhatsApp, or Oculus. And Apple, the big number is 43.7 million iPhones sold in the quarter, and the expected from analysts was 37.7. So I think with lower price points on iPhones, there's actually much more international growth than people thought. Apple's back.
We might not be in a bubble. We have big news from Insight Squared. Rumor has it that Insight Squared will be raising a big round of financing in Q2 of this year, so could be any day, any week, any month. But the biggest thing is the rumored valuation is $100 million.
Yeah, this is huge. Fred Schilmover, one of the co-founders, CEO over there. We've talked about him a lot. Fred's the man. Getting a 100 mil rumored valuation is a pretty big deal, especially right now. Stocks for B2B enterprise companies have been plummeting, and it's been reverberating down through the venture community. But Insight Squared doesn't get enough play. They essentially could be the go-to dashboard for any division of a company. So this is big news if it comes out. So hopefully they get it closed this quarter.
Yeah, huge. Big community news this week. BostInno de Mayo is back, and it's going to be bigger than ever. We've teamed up with a number of partners to kick this off, but the biggest one is Atlas's newest partner, known as old JK from the venture mancation, Johnny Carlin. JK will be buying many drinks on May 8th.
Many, yes. We've also teamed up with Fama PR, Tug, big nonprofit here that supports social ventures, as well as Insight Squared. So it's supposed to be a couple hundred people. We've already had 500 people sign up. So if you want to get in, buy a t-shirt. All the money goes to Tug, which goes to helping out social ventures. So you'll be doing some good and you'll get in. And Insight Squared getting 2 mentions this week, hot off the Goss train. Do they know, they're partnering with us on the event, do they know about the Goss?
They do not.
Awkward.
I'm really happy for you. I'm gonna let you finish.
A lot of people said last week, our shoot from DC, we didn't look very happy. One person said, quote, we looked like we wanted to kill someone.
Man.
We had a tough day, frankly.
It was a very hard day. I mean, we were up against a brutal fight at the White House defending our man Justin Bieber against the petitioners, and it was stressful.
You know, and the mainstream left-wing liberal media machine refused to cover it. There's thousands of us outside. Nobody covers Bieber. And Barrio did have our back.
He did.
Can't come out and say it, but Bieber's still here.
But the good news, when we got back to Boston, we ran into our good buddy, Scotty the Body Kirshner, and his lovely wife. They were heading down to Miami. Scotty's wife, huge fan of the show. We're getting her t-shirts.
Yep.
We're trying to bring her on board.
Recruiting. We want Amy Traverso on the beat.
One more bit of news this week. There's a cat cafe opening up. Okay.
Nope.
Got another one. One more bit of news this week. Jurassic World has started filming. Okay.
Nope.
One more bit of news. The Goonies sequel is out, and Steven Spielberg might be behind it.
Yeah, that's all for today.
Thanks for coming out. Let me know when you're done playing with that lens. Because I'm coming to you.